Did you know you can turn a boring table of numbers into a stunning heat map in Excel in under 10 seconds with zero formulas? In this video, I will show you when you have a large table of sales figures or scores, it is almost impossible to spot the highs and lows just by reading the numbers. You end up scanning. Start by selecting all the data cells in your table. In this example, that is the sales numbers for each region and month. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click Conditional Formatting in the Styles group. The green, yellow, red color scale is the most popular choice. Green automatically highlights the highest values, yellow marks the middle range, and red flags the lowest values in your selection. Look at that transformation. The exact same data now tells a completely different story with color guiding every eye straight to the insights. You can immediately see you just learned how to apply color scales in Excel to create instant heat maps that make your data speak for itself. No formulas required.